Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about using Opacity in Keynote. It's a very helpful tool, especially for e-learning. Opacity basically means how invisible something is, and you can edit it to hide things in your keynotes. This is very useful for explaining things live to students. In this keynote, you can maybe just barely see that I have two texts circled in red that are hidden with opacity. First, you need to add your text by pressing the plus button. Then on the text screen, edit your text however you want. Place your text wherever you want on your keynote, and then you're ready to go. Click your text and then click the paintbrush format button. On this screen, you should be able to see a slider. This shows you how visible your text is. You can slide the slider either way, up or down, and this changes how visible your text is, with 0 meaning it's completely invisible. If you have it on 1 or 2, your text should barely be visible, and that's perfect for what you want. Now what you can do while you're doing a live lesson is draw on your keynote and reveal text at key moments to help aid understanding for the students. This is very useful and can't be done with animations. This technique allows you to explain your diagrams and also draw on it at the same time, so it's very useful. And don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips on using Keynote.